Okay, hi you guys. My name is Dillinger. I'm getting about that age where I want to refill the top of my head. I'm getting more seasoned since I have an enormous amount of eyes and ears on me. Just feeling confident and feeling good about myself is something that I wanted to get done for a while, and I'm really happy that I'm finally doing it now. Okay. Yes. Let's go. Wow. I'm so happy because my whole life I would want to cover my face. Even when I had hair. I don't know, I was just self-conscious about my hairline for some reason. I know it's fine to other people, but to me, man, I won't be wearing hats as much anymore. I did a hair transplant. I got extraction, as you can see, from the sides and the back of my head to strengthen my hairline and to cover some of the gaps on the sides. The service was class A. I had a level of expectations of what I think or thought it would have been, and it exceeded everything. Everything from the moment I walked in to the level of service with food, with graciousness, with hospitality, and obviously the operation itself. I was on my phone playing video games, watching anime the whole time. It was awesome. There is going to be some pain and perhaps some residual pain afterwards, but it's nothing serious that's going to feel extraneous and you're going to have to take tons of painkillers and you're not going to sleep. It's nothing like that at all. There is some minor pain, but you get local anesthesia, you get sleeping pills, you get a range of medication. So ultimately, the pain level between 1 to 10, I say at most, would be a 3.
There's no irritation, there's no flakiness. The hairs will have an irregular direction.
Just taking them around, turning and stuff, it's like how you're doing. I had a great experience, and I did have some things that I was expecting on how this whole process was going to be, and by the time the procedure was done, I was blown away. The service, the attention to detail, the soft hands of everyone that was working on the restoration of my hair, it was 5-star, 6-star, high class. I would definitely recommend this to people that want some type of restoration on their head. And literally, whether I give them an audio or a text message, they respond very quickly, very abruptly. Anytime I ask them random questions. So it's a very open-end transaction or a communication line. Anything that I can think of on the moment, if I'm having an issue, they really answer me pretty quickly. So they really have thought out of all the angles in terms of just open line communication, very high quality service, making me very comfortable, making this feel nonchalant. It's just a procedure, and I can't be happier than I currently am right now. After a couple days, I can go back to training because I'm a pro basketball player, so it didn't affect any of my times off of the court. I play a lot of video games, so it was really easy just to stay in a cool place for a couple days and play lots of video games. But anything else is free to play. Touching my hair, wearing hats, showers, playing with my son, my 1-year-old, everything has been great. And if this is something that you want to do for yourself, not for anyone else, do it. If it makes you happy, if it's something that you want to do, by all means do it. I'm happy, I got mine. I'm just looking forward to seeing this result, 6, 8, 10 months from now.
I'm here at the Clinique de Paris getting hair treatment, my second platelet therapy that I'll be getting on top of my skull. and let's see how this process goes. I'm excited. It's my second one, and let's continue the journey. Let's go. Experience was great. Everyone was nice and very careful with my hair or in my scalp. The pain, I felt nothing at all. No pinch, no tension. It was almost like a light massage, to be honest. So I almost fell asleep. So it was a great. Can't wait to do it again. I wish these results would come quicker. It just can't come fast enough. But great job from the staff. I loved it.
Okay, this is how it was just before.
Yeah, it showed me that earlier.
Different.
It's crazy, man.
Good. So this is a wonderful transition, especially for people who see themselves every day and they don't notice the difference. To really look back is really nice. No patches. The back is fantastic.
Yeah.
You could even go a shorter hairstyle.
Yeah.
No one will know.
No one can tell. Like, even to this day when I'm talking to people, and I throw it out nonchalant on purpose. And they're like, what? You hold on a second. And they'll look at my hair like, what? Where'd you get that? And everyone, like 100%. Everyone's lost. Everything happens so fast, and without really processing anything, before I know it, I have new hair on my head, and I don't wear hats as much anymore. And yeah, I feel great about myself. So it's been a really great journey this past 8 to 12 months.